Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is already 2:40. Okay, and this is my meal. Yeah, last night I ate just fried egg and rice. And then this morning just coffee and just coffee. It's now 4:20. So I was in the computer watching how to install the awning. Yeah, because the only thing that I have is basically this, the awning. Yeah, it's a 1.4 meter and it comes only with this. And I think this is not enough. And so I'm going into Super Cheap because I saw on the website that they have the awning kit. Okay, so yeah, I just came from inside and this is what I took. And I'm going to open it now. So basically this one will go inside. Yeah, it is okay. It works, but I will do it in the house. And I also went to Bunnings. Yeah, and I actually bought this. This is a set of it says Stabby set. And we are home now. And I found that I actually have something like this inside the house. It's okay, this is $25. So the awning that I bought comes with this kind of a screw. One is square and one is octagon. Both of these can actually go inside here. And it's locked. Yeah, I don't know which one I should use. I use this one or this one. Yeah, I use the short one so it's clean looking. Or I should connect this first here. This actually won't go inside here. It's very thick because of the spring, so I need to cut the spring. Yeah, I don't have any cutter, that's why I'm using this what is this? Plies? Yeah, this. By just keep it on moving it, eventually it is going to cut. Just like that. From this side I need to pull this a little bit, this rubber. The second thing I need to put inside. Okay. Now it's inside again, so I have two of this here, and then what I need to do is to put this here and put the screw. So this is how it is. I can push it like that and lock it, like close this one. This is actually just an option. Yeah, because there are two kinds of rope racks. Yeah, so this is the other option. This is actually the right one for this. Yeah, supposed to be just this in here, but I prefer to use this one. Basically this one is for the square rope rack. That's why it has the long, that's why it has a long spring. But yeah, I will use this one. So I'm going to use this short one, not the long one. This will go inside here and push. Yeah, another one. I missed another one of this, and then this one will go on this side. Oh, okay, I found it. It's here. So I just put inside here again. So there is this, then this. So yeah, this awning can be installed by one person. Okay, I was able to use this one. And this is the manual version of that I need to roll, remove, roll, remove. Yeah, this one is very good. Hey, finally finished. This one I need to push. Also this one. Okay, cannot push anymore, so I'm going to cut it. And then close it again. And it's done. And then this one, I don't know what is the purpose, how to use it. And it actually comes with the awning. Yeah. So I'm going to put it together with the kit. It is still bright outside, but yeah, it is actually already 7:25. Just now I finished the installing of that awning. Tomorrow I am day off, so I will be able to show you the awning. Yo, good morning guys. It is now already almost 9 o'clock. And yeah, I'm lazy to edit video. Also, I'm a little bit hungry now. But yeah, I feel like making banana shake. But I still have rice. Also the food that I cooked yesterday, I still have. Okay, we do banana shake. Yeah, it tastes really good. The ice is actually melted already. Having this as a breakfast is not enough. Yeah, refreshing. But I like coffee more because coffee is relaxing. The banana shake and the coffee is not enough for my breakfast. That's why I'm going to reheat this rice and then reheat this green beans. I'm going to eat it all now. And there's some more flavor here. I'm going to scrape that flavor. And you know, when I ate this last night, yeah, it is more delicious than it was freshly cooked. I don't know why it is cold today. That's why I need to breakfast. I am day of today, and yeah, I'm going to organize my cabinet actually. Yeah, like all this jacket, I'm going to fold it and yeah, keep somewhere there. You maybe notice this, I have this drone, but yeah, I don't like. The power only lasts for less than 5 minutes. No good. I just put back the trouser that mostly I'm not using. And these are my all shirts, jacket. Yeah. And you know, most of the shirts are coming from the viewers, coming from you. Yeah, thank you very much. I'm not using some of those because yeah, in the previous months mostly are winter, and mostly that people gives me are shirt, so I'm using only the jacket and sweater during the winter. Also, mostly before I was on my bike and I was trying to protect my skin by wearing long sleeve. That's why I didn't able to wear most of this t-shirt, short sleeve. And if you notice, my skin is back to normal. Yeah, same color now. Before, when I was riding the bike, yeah, the color of this is darker than this one. So I'm going to put it back now. Oh, look at this. Long time that I am not wearing a t-shirt. And I feel that this shirt is very short. Yeah, very short. Very small. I don't like this. I just came from outside and I found this letter coming from NSW Service Center. And it says that my auxiliary plate number is now ready for collection. It means that I can now use my Yeah, bike carrier. Next week I will have 4 days off, consecutive days off. And another thing is I'm going to try this solar charger. Yeah, I'm going to bring it together with my power station. We're going to stay in the beach. Yeah, to use my awning to check this solar charger. Yeah. I also wanted to try if this power station can be charged using the car cigarette charger. Yeah, so I'm going to plug it in here.